We're all worried about microplastics, right? They're in our oceans, they're in our food, they're even in us. But here's the truth. Microplastics don't come from solid products like ours. They come from synthetic clothing fibres in washing machines, tyres wearing down on roads, paints, packaging films, cosmetics, even from larger plastics breaking down like lost fishing nets and marine debris. Tyre wear accounts for around about 5 to 10% of ocean microplastics, while textiles can contribute up to 30% or more. Our products, benches, boardwalks, raised beds and other things like that are made from dense, solid, recycled plastic. It doesn't flake, crumble or leach. It's UV stable and lasts for decades outdoors. So while microplastics are a real issue, British Recycled Plastic is part of the solution, keeping these plastics in use and not in the natural environment. We're turning plastic waste into long life products, turning waste into wonderful with British Recycled Plastic.